Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to blur the background of your CapCut videos. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to put your first clip onto the timeline. Then we're going to click on the clip, go to Effects on the top left corner, go down to Lens, and we're looking for the blur. Right here, it just says blur. We're going to click on it and drag it onto the clip. And then we're going to go to the top right corner, and where it says blur, we're going to adjust it. And I kind of like going to 20. Now we go back to media where the clip is located and add the same clip back on top to the timeline. Now we click on that clip and we want to go where video is. We want to click on cutout. We want to click on auto cutout. Now it's going to process. It's going to take a second, and now it's completed and you have a blurred background. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Have a great day, guys.